Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PN Expert. In this video, we will learn the basics of quantum computing, including bits, qubits, superposition, entanglement, and why it matters. First, let's compare a regular bit with a qubit. A bit is like a light switch. It can be off, which we call 0, or on, which we call 1. A qubit is different. A qubit can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. We call this superposition. Imagine a coin spinning on a table. While it spins, it is like both heads and tails. When we measure a qubit, the spinning stops. The qubit collapses into a definite 0 or 1. That moment of spinning is where the quantum computer scores many answers at once. Quantum computers also use entanglement. Two qubits can be linked like a magic thread. If one changes, the other changes instantly, even far away. Why is this useful? Because a quantum computer can explore many paths at once. Think of the maze. A regular computer tries one path at a time, but a quantum computer can explore many paths simultaneously. Now, let's compare how many states bits and qubits can represent. With n bits, you can represent only one state at a time. With n qubits, you can represent 2 to the n states at once. To summarize, bits are like switches, qubits are like spinning coins, superposition lets qubits hold many possibilities at once, and entanglement links qubits together to work as a team. That is the core idea of quantum computing.